Well, you never know what you're in for on a Monday. So we just found out that the Seacan that the boss ordered actually has a brand new loader in here that we got to put together. So just to show you what we're dealing with here. Right off the bat, we get this thing pounding off the top of the cab the whole way from China. We got a bucket back there, a blade here, no tire on the machine. Should be a fun day. Oh, got the straps all unhooked here. Cab slid back. We're gonna hook on the top wires here. Get all this junk here out of the way. So up front here, the blocks fell during the ship when I showed you that. But this cylinder's jammed underneath that foot rail, so we're gonna fire it up and drop the boom here and see if we can get it off. Things are looking a little brighter here now. We got all this gear out on the ground. That was a fun piece of stuff to get out. That was jammed between the two hubs here on the side. So we managed to slip that out by. Then we tried to start it to pick it up to put the wheel on. And the batteries were disconnected. They're back here in this battery box on the right side. Believe it or not, the master kill switch is right here underneath the seat, that plastic thing. If you follow the wires underneath there, you'll see that's where they go. And when we went to shut it off, it wouldn't shut off because the old girl has a mechanical shut off, which is located right here on the right of the seat behind all your joysticks. You just pull up onto it after your key's off. Away you go. So over in the other back corner tool compartment is where they had the wheel nuts and this little high quality Chinese tool kit. So there's what we got for the wheel nuts. And there's our big torque bar. Should be able to get some good pressure on that stuff. Handy dandy grease gun. Chinese pliers. Chinese screwdriver. Look, John's favorite tool. Alright, we got this Chinese gear working. She's got air brakes, boys. Well, there she is, boys. From the container to up and running. Really wasn't too bad, honestly. And the thing seems to have pretty good power. I just moved it around the yard and stuff. Never actually done anything, but it feels like it's got pretty good heft. Definitely want to point out one thing if anyone considers buying one of these hose clamps in Nova Scotia and around Salt are trouble. So if I was buying one of these, the very first thing I'd be doing before I even ran it would be changing these. But other than that, it's got a fairly heavy belt on it, nice looking gear underneath the hood, even though it's, you know, you can't pronounce anything, or you don't even know what it is, but it works. That's all that matters.